In this video you will learn how to crack a password using Python. I am using random library to generate random numbers. In password variable I am using alphabets only, and you can use numbers and symbols also along with this. Now I am creating a loop which will pick random alphabets from password variable and will add in guess variable until it matches. Let's test the code. It is guessing the password correctly, but it is not showing combinations it tried. Let's print those combinations too. Now it's working perfectly. Time to generate the password will depend on length of your password. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more videos.